loves! Today's video is the tutorial of this Encanto lip art, or more precisely, the Mirabel Madrigal's outfit lip art. And the reason I want to make this one special is because you seem to actually love this design. First, it gained over 500,000 views on TikTok, and then even more here on YouTube Shorts. Like, what? Crazy! But since you love the design so much, and usually my vertical tutorials are super sped up, 15 to 30 seconds, and it's only that much information that I can give in this time, I decided to make this one a little bit more slow motion to give you more details, and I even did a full face Encanto inspired makeup. And the tutorial for this one will be available later, so now let's move over and start the tutorial for the Encanto lip art. I usually paint my lip art in small pieces because it's very hard to stay precise and stay on camera at the same time. So first of all, draw a wavy outline on your upper lip with black, and then fill it in with white liquid lipstick. Fill in all this contour, nothing too fancy here. Then start drawing the butterflies. First you draw the sticks, which are their bodies. Then you paint some more sticks to kind of sketch their wings where they will be, and then you transform these sticks into loops for the actual wings, and you just have to add some antenna on top. Then to bear more resemblance to Mirabel's t-shirt, you can underline these butterflies with black again, and then start painting the lower lip for Mirabel's skirt. So first of all, the cornflower blue on the bottom as the contour, then a dark teal on top of it, and on top of the dark teal, fill in the lip with a brighter teal. Like, the dark teal is actually optional. The brighter teal is, by the way, the same that I'm wearing right now. And then after that, start doing the fringe with a lighter violet lip color, because she had a fringe on her skirt. And you can also add some little fringe ornaments with a magenta color. And then with various light pastel colors, start drawing the butterflies on the upper lip. You already know how to paint the butterflies. And with the flowers, you also draw just a couple of sticks and a couple of sticks across, and some little waves for the petals. And then on the lower lip, start painting the designs from her skirt. Obviously, they will be located a little bit differently. The jaguar and the toucan, outline them with magenta, fill them in with yellow and green. The eyes are white. And then draw the candle, which is basically a yellow rectangle. You can make it slightly rounded, and then add the pink and orange drips and the pink flame that is also from her skirt. And then there is a pink heart, which is filled with a blue heart and a green heart. That's like pretty easy to paint, concentric hearts. And then after that, you just have to add a couple of more flowers and butterflies. You can just doodle the flowers like little stars, you know, like painting little sticks. Once again, you already know how to paint the butterflies. And so that's it. The lip is done. I think it came out really pretty. Of course, it's a little bit longer than what I described here, but at least it's not as sped up as the other lip art tutorials, though I do find that sometimes more entertaining, even though less informative, and you can find one with this lip art linked in the description box. Please let me know if you would like this type of lip art commentary videos in the future. Then maybe I can make some polls in the community tab, which your favorite lip arts are, and which you want to be like commented and described like that at a slower speed. And in any case, check my lip art playlist and find the ones you like best. See you there, bye!